come around to jam with me. Rocking on a Saturday night.
G'day, Steve here from Smart Opals. Welcome to the workshop, and we're just going to show you the dry sanding kit, what's included and how to put the tools together so you can use them on a Ray Foster machine or on a Dremel for dry sanding opal. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're trying to make. It's a little sanding disc that goes in the machine, and in the kit we have included 5 of the floppy mandrels, 2 of the diamond discs, some foam pads, some 240, 320, 600 and 800 sandpaper discs. Okay, so when you get your dry sanding kit, the first thing you're going to want to do is make up probably the diamond disc. So we're going to take one of these mandrels, put the foam onto it with self-adhesive, then we're going to put it in the machine to true it up, and then we'll stick the diamond pad on. All right, so let's have a closer look. So after you've stuck the rubber pad or the disc on, you need to true it up, and I'm just using a piece of old grinder wheel just to take the edge of the disc back down to a perfect circle. Okay, so there we've got the foam disc attached to the mandrel, and we'll put it in the machine to just wear it down so it's running perfectly true. Now we can put some super glue on the foam and stick the diamond disc to it. The glue that we're using is just a Loctite super glue, and I use this because it cures quickly. You can use the disc almost straight away, and it dries so that it won't spin out when it gets hot. If you use like a traditional disc cement, it's quite rubbery, and when the pad heats up, that glue will actually spin out from behind the sandpaper. So super glue is the best thing to use. Okay, so the process that we've used to do the diamond disc is also just the same for doing the sandpaper disc as well. So sticking the foam pad onto the silicon mandrel and then super gluing the disc on top of that, truing it up in between each stage so it runs nice and true. When you first make up these discs, the abrasive is really aggressive, so it's always good to have a piece of old opal that you can just dress the disc with before you start using it on production pieces. The process that I use to get up to a pre-polish is first a diamond disc, then the 240 grit sandpaper, and then the 600 grit sandpaper, and then polish. So I've supplied a couple of extra grits there for you to try. They might suit your process, but you should be able to just go diamond, 240, 600 and polish. Good luck and happy cutting.